Imagine a project that restarted life in the middle of the desert, in a place where there was almost no water. Yes, we are talking about Israel's National Water Carrier Project, but this is not just a water transportation line. It is an engineering miracle. This huge system, built in the late 1950s, was designed to carry water resources in the north to the arid regions in the south. Imagine 130 kilometers of pipes, canals, and giant tunnels. Water overcomes seemingly impossible distances. Thanks to this system, arid lands have become green, barren areas have come to life, and the water needs of millions of people have been met. Sometimes it is necessary to bring nature's most valuable resource, water, even for miles away. And this is where the Sorek desalination plant comes in. Sorek, one of the largest seawater desalination plants in the world, is creating an incredible revolution for the survival of millions of people in a region where water is worth its weight in gold. This incredible project has transformed the port into a giant trading monster. With the newly added terminal areas, giant container ships can now load and unload faster, processing millions of tons of cargo each year. This port has become the heart of the global trade network. These colossal structures are not only impressive with their height. The methods used during construction were truly a miracle of engineering. The exterior of the towers shines like a work of art made of stainless steel and glass. Moreover, the durability of these towers was designed to defy the hot and humid climate of Malaysia. And what about that legendary bridge? This bridge, called the Sky Bridge, which stretches between the 41st and 42nd floors, literally connects the two towers and takes the breath away of tourists from all over the world. Forest City is not just a city. It is an engineering marvel consisting of 4 artificial islands created by filling the sea. Everything is built to show that modern architecture can be in perfect harmony with nature. The city is a true life center with thousands of residences, business centers, shopping areas, and hotels. But what is the real feature of this place? Everywhere from the roofs of the buildings to the streets is covered with greenery. Tesla's giant factory is an engineering masterpiece where lithium-ion batteries, the heart of electric vehicles, are produced. But what sets it apart from the rest? A true mega factory, covering a total area of 1.9 million square meters. This facility is jaw-dropping not only in its size, but also in its production capacity. Every year, millions of batteries are put into service for Tesla vehicles and energy systems. This $4.9 billion giant structure not only produces electricity, but also brings energy and hope to the African continent. With an incredible energy production capacity of 6,450 megawatts, this dam is transforming Ethiopia into an energy giant. Its 145-meter-high giant body and 1.8-kilometer-long dam wall legendary control the flow of the Nile. The dam lake can store exactly 74 billion cubic meters of water. This amount is almost like containing an ocean. This incredible project is a 1,483-kilometer economic corridor connecting India's capital, Delhi, with its financial capital, Mumbai. But this corridor doesn't just connect two cities. It also hosts 8 states, 24 industrial zones, and infrastructure projects that will change the lives of millions of people. Masdar City is an engineering marvel in the heart of Abu Dhabi that defies the desert climate. This city runs entirely on renewable energy. With its giant solar panels, wind turbines, and energy-efficient architecture, Masdar City offers a carbon-neutral living space. Instead of traditional transportation systems, there are driverless electric vehicles that you can reach anywhere in the city. The vehicles move in underground tunnels, solving both traffic problems and saving energy. This 472-kilometer railway, which stretches from the port of Mombasa to Nairobi, has gone down in history as one of the largest infrastructure projects in Africa. So, why is this railway so special? Because this new standard line, which replaces old, slow, and limited capacity lines, is equipped with modern trains that run at 120 kilometers per hour. Passengers can now travel between Nairobi and Mombasa in just 4 hours.